Thutha wa igoti gwathana mũhunjia Ezekiel Odero wa kanitha wa New Life Prayer Center ahingirwo ceceni-inĩ ya borithi ya Port mwena wa Mombasa oginyagia tariki 2 mweri ukite, agithitangirwo kuhunjia kirira kĩogomu na gucũngĩrĩria ikuũ cia etĩkia a kanitha ũyũ. Wakiri Danstan, Omari na Ombeta maugĩte nĩo makarũgamĩrĩra mũhunjia ũyũ ciira-inĩ ũrĩa ũrĩ mbere yake, makiuga mahĩtia marĩa athitangĩirwo namo gũtirĩ ũndũ wa ma na hunjagia kiugo kĩa ma.
All the accusations of money laundering, terrorism, radicalization, robbery and things like money laundering and all those things, cruelty, crimes against humanity, genocide. How does this administration expect to prove this case when they have done no investigation? They have done nothing. These are just mere allegations.
Pastor Ezekiel is on YouTube. It's live. There is no message for radicalization. It's a live transmission, and therefore that alleged offense is non-existent.
Si Mungu akufanya utengeneze historia.
Maugete gutiri mundu ono mwe wanakuire kanitha-ini wa Ezekiel ni kwaga gya kuria. Andu 15 nio makuite mwaka uyu na mathiete kuhoerwo no magitorio matari marahoerwo mahone. Mawakiri maya makiongerera ati ni riboti ciandikithitio ceceni-ini ya borithi na mena wira ucio wothe.
The policy is that those who have died, the family members take them to take that report to the nearest police station. OBs will give the number of all the 15 OBs that the police have. No death has occurred that the police have not been involved.
Ni makomithetie aria maragwetania mũhunjia Ezekiel Odero na ciĩko cia mũhunjia Thenge Mackenzie mũgũnda-inĩ wake wa eka 800 Shakahola County ya Kilifi, makiuga ndahutanĩtie na njĩra o yothe na ndini njogomu ya etĩkia kwĩhinga o nginyagia magakua.
Pastor Mackenzie on the other side are doing business together. Maybe they run business together. Maybe they are running grounds that are next to each other. We will go to the ground. You'll be able to see that all these allegations about burials, about graveyards in compounds, about places where people can be hidden and where people can be enclosed and where people can be abducted and kept do not exist.
They have only met once during the transaction of the sale of the TV station. Let me deal with the question of the TV station. An attempt was made to buy the TV station. Pastor Ezekiel deposited 500,000 shillings as a deposit. The agreed transactional fee was 3 million shillings. That deal never worked.
Ngiribotera Inoro TV, njĩtagwo Jenga Wabui.